If your Hyundai Kona Apple CarPlay is acting up, we can get your connection back in under 2 minutes. Statistically, 80% of persistent connectivity issues are solved without ever visiting a dealership. Let us break down the troubleshooting process step by step. Start by inspecting your cable, checking your phone settings, or simply deleting and re-adding your device to the Kona system. If the basics fail, look for physical port debris, outdated iOS software, or pending Hyundai infotainment system updates. For recurring issues, try the physical reset pinhole on your head unit or a full system factory reset. Know the boundary between a simple settings tweak and a potential hardware failure requiring professional repair. Most repairs are free or low cost, but hardware module replacements can get expensive quickly. Verify the phone itself first, then inspect the port, and finally visit the official Hyundai update portal to ensure your firmware is current. Keep a spare certified cable and a USB flash drive handy for troubleshooting and potential system updates. Remember that most infotainment gremlins start with the physical connection, so start there before assuming the worst. If these steps helped, subscribe for more Kona maintenance tips and troubleshooting guides.